Avalanche generally is a mid-position digital money presently evaluated at $54.56 that has a place with a class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $285,287,533 in an unpretentious manner. Over the fundamentally past kind of couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Avalanche, laid out serious areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world, and really are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks amazingly. A few institutional financial backers in any event, in every way that really matters, consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and brokers in every practical sense are certainly keen on digital currencies for example, Avax in light of the fact that this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources in a real sense have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat by and large brief timeframe in a huge manner. These profits truly are genuinely unreachable in truly different business sectors, which especially is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Avalanche, while the groundbreaking ones truly give a critical part of their kind of money to this quickly creating resource class in spite of mainstream thinking. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $54.56, where it at present generally sits in an unpretentious manner. As currently referenced, Avax sort of is a mid-position cryptographic money since it possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the very metric that not entirely set in stone by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a kind of large manner. On account of Avalanche, the market capitalization by and large stands at $25,291,287,533. The significance of this boundary will be in a real sense made sense of later, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our cost expectation calculation by and large is planned in kind of such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently, for the most part, survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it entirely to be reconfigured in a really significant manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which in a real sense is, all things considered, vital for the really right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future bearing, which for the most part is very huge. Underneath you will by and large find sort of key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the Avalanche market for the most part is going, which explicitly is very huge. Yesterday on Walk 22, Avax most certainly was esteemed at $53.94 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recall that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 0.37%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on Walk 16, Avalanche generally was exchanged at $58.33 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its fundamentally present situation in a for the most part large manner. On February 23, which sort of was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $37.67, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 44.85% from where it right now in a real sense stands. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, showing how on account of Avalanche the market capitalization remains at $25,287,533. The significance of this boundary will sort of be somewhat made sense of later, or so they generally thought. Market capitalization is another significant, especially metric that for the most part helps dealers sort of decide the prominence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities in a huge manner. It's likewise used to sort of evaluate the offer that Avalanche sort of holds inside the very whole digital currency market in a significant manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization really is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to generally is increased by its certainly current cost, which certainly is genuinely critical. As of the hour of composing the market capitalization of Avax, basically, remains at $25.91 $287,533, enough to name it the 10th outright biggest coin on the digital money market. Yesterday on Walk 22, the market capitalization of Avalanche sort of remained at $2356 $632 $470 in a genuinely huge manner. 7 days prior on Walk 16, the capitalization of Avax explicitly was $22 $898 $225 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior on February 23, how much in every practical sense, capital streaming around this genuinely specific market in a real sense added up to $13 $853 $560 $346. Most digital money financial backers fundamentally comply with the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital money and its capacity to, in a real sense, endure disturbances which especially are the truly normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, exhibiting how our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which by and large is especially key for the especially right assessment of both certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The greatest stockpile of Avalanche truly is 715, 748, 719 Avax, the for the most part all out supply of Avax presently by and large stands at 436, 106, 176 coins. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey in every practical sense is 377, 416, 536 Avax in an extremely significant manner. This Avalanche cost expectation wouldn't for the most part be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital money merchants to essentially affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, showing how it's likewise used. To by and large survey the offer that Avalanche, all things considered, holds inside the truly whole cryptographic money market in an unpretentious manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain truly is happening on the rear of the sort of low exchanging volume, there basically is a high likelihood that this move truly is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare. So on February 23, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $37.67, the cost level that is at the distance of 44.85% from where it presently remains, in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. Consequently, it's vital to explicitly examine the truly past and the ongoing exchanging volume of Avax request to comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which certainly is genuinely huge. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Avalanche market sort of was enrolled at $1 205 856 325 in a kind of significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 22, Avax fundamentally had an exchanging volume of $1 157 92 541 in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior on Walk 16, the in every practical sense